हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके साथ में शेयर करने वाली हूँ जो मॉर्निंग रूटीन सेट करते वक्त आपको अवॉइड करना चाहिए। वो ऐसी कुछ लिस्ट है 7 to 8 थिंग्स आई वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज मैंने जब भी मेरा मॉर्निंग रूटीन पे काम करना स्टार्ट किया था, आई ऑल्सो हैड challenges, and I also had failures, and based on that I have worked upon myself, and there are this 6 to 7 things which has helped me a lot. ओके तो मैं आपको वो 6-7 चीज़ें बताना चाहूँगी और उसको मैंने कैसे इंटरप्रेट किया था मेरे खुद के लिए, सो दैट आई मेक श्योर दैट आई वेक अप अर्ली मॉर्निंग एंड आई यूटिलाइज दैट time for myself to have a great energy throughout the day. ओके बिकॉज आपका जब भी एक मॉर्निंग रूटीन सेट हो जाता है, आप आपके लाइफ में बहुत क्लियर हो जाते हो कि आपको क्या करना है। नंबर 1 थिंग इज़, आपको पता रहता है कि आपका पूरा दिन कैसे जाने वाला है, बिकॉज यू हैव प्लान्ड योर डे, राइट। सो आज मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना बताना चाहूँगी कि क्या चीज़ें आपको अवॉइड करनी है, कौन सी चीज़ें आपको अवॉइड करनी है व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग अपॉन योर मॉर्निंग रूटीन। ओके, नंबर 1 थिंग इज़ स्लीपिंग लेट. Okay, sleeping late never works if you want to set up a morning routine. If you want to wake up early morning, make sure that you sleep every day at the same time. Okay, number 2 is, for me, actually, I have done some interpretation, I'll also tell you that. So for me, sleeping late is fooling myself. Okay, so if I'm sleeping late, that means I'm fooling myself, I cannot wake up in the early morning. Number 2 is pushing that snooze button. Okay, so whenever I push that snooze button, the interpretation for me was that I have failed in my the first task of the day, and you can imagine how it feels. So snoozing doesn't work. Okay, so avoid snoozing, and you can use this interpretation for yourself also. Number 3 is not washing your face. If you are waking up really very early morning, then you must wash your face, because if you are starting to build that habit, it may happen that you will feel sleepy. If you do not wash your face, that means you are inviting sleep. Okay, so do not do that. Wash your face and then start your morning routine. Okay, get fresh and then start your morning routine. Number 4 is checking notifications. Okay, sometimes what happened is, like, I used to follow meditations on YouTube, because I am not a specialist where I have learned meditation. Okay, or I have not any learnings or any courses which I have done to understand meditation. So I use guided meditations, okay, on YouTube. So if I'm watching YouTube, I should not get distracted with the notifications. Okay, similarly, if you are watching YouTube, you should not go to the other videos other than meditation, and preferably you select the meditation on the first day and go in the history and see that same meditation for some time. Okay, so if you are checking the notifications, that means you are inviting distraction. Okay, so that means if you are inviting distraction, that means your morning routine is not going to work, and it will be a waste of time. Number 5 is no plans. If you have no plans what to do after waking up early morning, then it is actually losing the opportunity to get creativity, or to get those ideas, because morning time is the time when you are your mind is really very active. Okay, if you are fully awake, and if you are thinking, if you are utilizing your thinking power, morning hours is the best time for you to get that creativity outside, from your mind. Okay, so that is why you must have plans. Okay, so morning routine must be planned. If it is not planned, that means you are losing the opportunity. Okay, the next thing is not reading a book. For me, if I miss reading book in the morning, then I feel empty the whole day, because I do not have any ideas, or I do not have any learnings which I need to have it early in the morning, which I can utilize in the whole day. So that is why not reading book is equal to no creativity and no good ideas. Okay, and the last is waking up late on the weekends. Okay, waking up late on the weekends means you are making your brain confused. Okay, and for me this is still a challenge. I'm working on it, because I get lazy on the weekends, because I do not work on weekends, and that's the reason I get lazy. But I know that I need to improve, and I need to at least wake up and then do my routine and then decide what I want to do, because I do not want to confuse my mind, whether it is, our mind doesn't understand if it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What it does understand is the routine. Okay, so these are things which you must avoid while training yourself on morning routine. So I'll just revise it. Number 1 is sleeping late doesn't work. Pushing that snooze button doesn't work. Not washing your face doesn't work. Checking up notification doesn't work. No plans, no, it will not work. No morning routine, never works. Not reading book, never ever works. It's losing that creativity and that great ideas coming to your mind. And waking up late on weekends, it doesn't work. But you need to find out what are the ways with which you can improve your this routine even on the weekends. Okay, so thank you for watching, and share your comments below, whatever you have challenges with, so that I can help you. Thank you.